three incidents which happened in my real life. We wanted to put a barbecue with friends. By the time we reached there, Machan, it was so late.
Okay.
Right?
අටවට උඹලා බට ගාගෙන ගියත් යන වෙලාව මේ උඹලා බේරුවල ගියත්
That my mind fills up into a creature, and it haunts me somewhere much deeper. Anxiety filling up every space.
ටික වෙලාවකින් මචං ඌ එක පාටම he came outside. After a while he came outside. කඩාගෙන එළියට ආවා මචං. Then what he told was, I saw something. මං එකක් දැක්කා. නවුන්ඩ පාත්ත. Right? So this is where the twist is, මචං.
I got nightmares in my head. I fear that the thoughts build up until I can't hear. That my mind fills up into a creature, and it haunts me somewhere much deeper. I got nightmares in my head. I fear that the thoughts build up until I can't hear. That my mind fills up into a creature, and it haunts me somewhere much deeper. I've been feeling weird, I can't seem to focus good enough. Nothing's really clear, sometimes it could be.
Hi everyone, welcome to True Media. So today, in today's video, we will be discussing about a real life incident which happened to us. Make sure to subscribe our channel, and we have given our WhatsApp number so you can share your personal stories through a note or voice note.
සාදරයෙන් පිළිගන්නවා අපේ True Media channel එකට. විශේෂයෙන් මේ channel එකේ අද අපි first episode එකේ ඉන්නේ. first episode එකේ අපි මෙතනට ඇත්තටම මේ True Media channel එකෙන් අපේ බලාපොරොත්තු ඕගලන්ට සත්‍ය සිදුවීම් සම්බන්ධයෙන් කතා කරන්න. ඒ කියන්නේ ඔය අద్భుත සිදුවීම් ඔය ලංකාවේ
True
වෙච්ච
stories.
සමහර සත්‍ය සිදුවීම් කියනවා. ඒ ඇසුරු කරගෙන තමයි අපි මේ episodes ටික අපි මේ දැන් True Media channel එකෙන් ඕගලන්ට ගෙනෙන්නේ. අනිවාර්යෙන් subscribe කරලා තියාගන්න, bell icon එක click කරලා තියාගන්න. අපි අපේ දැන් වැඩසටහනකට යනවා.
මාදී මේ දැන් like කටේ ගාව අපි අහනවනේ.
ඔව්.
Do you know any horror story which happened to you? Do you believe in ghosts?
මසන් මෙහෙමයි ඇත්තටම ඔය මේ මට එහෙම දෙයක් දැන් වෙනකන් දැනෙන්නේ නැති හින්දා මට ඒක ගැන ඇත්තටම ලොකු මේ විශ්වාසයක් නැහැ.
Yeah.
ඒත් ගොඩාක් මිනිස්සු ඒක ගැන කතා කරනවා. ඒත් මට නම් එච්චර ලොකුවට ඒක බලපාලා නැහැ.
Oh, yeah. Machan, but I have three incidents which happened in my real life.
This is based on your life. Real stories.
Real stories, Machan, but I have never seen.
Okay.
Right?
Okay.
To be honest, we should be quite honest and open when we are speaking.
Okay.
So, I can share you one of my stories, which is a very interesting story. So, this was back in 2000, I guess, I can't exactly remember the date. When I was doing my high national diploma, this was during my college time.
This was in Colombo or outside Colombo?
Outside Colombo. Colombo Eli. Harida. So, what exactly happened was, my friends and I, we wanted to plan a trip,
Okay.
right? And we went on a trip to Beirut,
Okay.
right? So, me, myself, and 5 other guys, right? So, we all are in one gang. But දන්නවා ඇති අපි අර බයික් එකනේ බං යන්නේ
ඒ කාලේ ඉතින් අපි ඔය බයික් රයිඩ්
යනොත් ඉතින් කොල්ලෝ එහෙමනේ මේ colleges එකේ යන්නේ. So we had around 4 bikes double ගාගෙන යනවා. Like අපි කොළඹින් යනකොට when we are going out of Colombo, I guess it was around 6 o'clock PM. All right. So by the time when we reached, like we took our own sweet time, right? එතකොට මචන් like we wanted to put a barbecue. Like it was just a one day outing, right? We wanted to put a barbecue with friends.
මේ ලොකේෂන් එක කොහේ වගේ ලොකේෂන් එකක්ද? කොහෙද
මේක මචන් this was in Beirut.
Beirut. Okay.
Yeah, Beirut. I don't like to reveal the house or address or anything.
Okay.
Once again, you know, right? So මචන් what exactly happened to us was අපි කොළඹෙන් මචන් chicken අරගෙන ගියේ.
Okay.
We bought it from Colombo and we went to Beirut. right?
Hmm.
So one of our friend, he offered, relatively a good price.
Okay.
And මචන් අපි 4 දෙනෙක් ගියා මචන්. දැන්
ආරමයට හම්බ වෙනවා කියලා ගියා.
yeah. හැබැයි මචන් like in Beruwala, there were 2 of my friends
Okay.
who are,
Already there.
already in Beruwala. So by the time we reached there, machan, it was so late,
Okay.
right?
At what time?
At around machan 11:30 වගේ තියෙනවා. හරිද?
උඹලා බට ගාගෙන ගියත් යන වෙලාව මේ උඹලා බේරුවල ගියත්.
හරිද? අපිට machan අපේ ඔළුවේ ඒව මොකුත් නෑ. අපිට නිකන්
Fun එකෙන්
fun එකේ නිකන්.
Hmm.
So we bought the meat, we arranged everything and we went to Beruwala.
Okay.
After going Beruwala, machan, we knew that there is no house for us to stay.
Okay.
හරිද?
Okay.
අපි
You already knew your book. Sir, you have to that.
one of my friends, the person who is already there,
Okay.
he was looking for houses, machan.
Okay.
හැබැයි set උනේ නෑ. ඒක නිකන් අපි චෙනිකව plan කරලා ගියපු දෙයක්. Like
Okay.
we went on that day, mas.
Okay.
So like one of my the friend's auntie was having a house, right? She's living abroad.
Okay.
The first floor, the ground floor was given for rent,
Okay.
and we took the second floor. So the second floor is
There was no one in that house.
yeah,
Was closed.
it was fully closed,
Fully closed.
right? එතකොට මචං මේ අපි barbecue කරන්න we didn't have the grill.
Right.
So at that night we went to a hardware.
Okay.
We asked that guy to open the hardware,
Okay.
and he got us අර mesh එකේ තියෙන්නේ බං mesh.
එයා ප්‍රොෆෙෂනලි ගිහිල්ලා ඉල්ලන් කෑමක් කන්න මේ ෆුල් යාලෝ සෙට් එකත් එක ගිහිල්ලා කරලා දෙන්නේ.
Honestly, right? We don't know that something like this will happen, right?
Yeah.
So මචං අපි අර mesh එකක් barbecue ගහන්නව තියෙනවනේ, in the hardware we have that mesh, no? So
Yeah.
we cut a piece, and by the time we reached that home, මචං, it was 12 වගේ 1 o'clock වගේ.
Almost යක්කු ගස්නා කියලාට ඔයගොල්ලෝ ගෙදරට ඇවිල්ලා.
හරිද? දැන් මචං අපිට බඩගිනි. හරිද? අපි මචං දන්නවනේ කොල්ලෝනේ. We wanted to put a barbecue at that night itself. We were tired, to be honest. We did not buy at least a soap, boys. So I'll explain you the house, Masha. So when we were first entering the house, it was quite dirty.
Okay.
Dirty කියන්නේ Masha නේද මේ?
මාකුළු දැල් බී.
අන්න right.
අර
හැබැයි Masha හදපු ගියා.
අද්භුත හදවතක් වගේ.
It was tiled. ලස්සන්ට තියෙන ගියා.
Okay.
ටිකක් කුණු වෙලා. හරිද? ඉස්සරහා නැසම් දැන් අපි පඩිපෙළෙන් නැගලා we climbed the stairs, we opened the main door. So in the main hall there's a huge swing masa මුන්චිල්ලා වීති.
Okay.
අර
It is in middle of the house.
in the middle of the house.
Okay.
ඒක නිකන් අර මේ වෙනස් විදියට මචං මේ ගෙදර
හදලා
ඔව් ලොකු සීන් නෑ. හරිද? අපි ගියා කොන්චිල්ලාව තිබ්බා. කොන්චිල්ලාවත් dust, it was dirty. So however Mashan, another guy joined us
Okay.
there. So he is also from Beruwala, but he was like 4 or 5 years elder to us.
Okay.
අපිට වඩා Mashan අවුරුදු 4-5ක් වගේ වැඩිම. ඌ අපේ අයියා කෙනෙක් පස්. හරිද? So he also wanted to join. Then how many people? 8 people.
8 people.
Right?
In one house.
Yeah, 8 people in one house. Pure fun, Masha. So we put the barbecue. We did not have soap, okay? Remember that. By the time we finished the barbecue, Masan, we of course,
How long did it take? 1 hour, 1.5 hours?
I can't exactly remember, Masan, but it was
Late night.
almost, yeah, it was late midnight, Masan. Midnight to pass vela. Harida, අපි ඔතන්ට යන්නම ඉතින් it got late, no? ඊට පස්සේ Masan මේ කොහොම හරි අපි barbecue ඔක්කොම නිවලා we went for the first room. හරිද? first room එකට ගියාට පස්සේ මචං ඒකේ තමයි attached bathroom එකක් තිබ්බේ. So we all wanted to stay in one room.
Okay.
So when I forgot to tell this. When the people were handovering the key for us, they told, do not go for the second room.
Okay.
Because the owner's things are there. He's abroad. No?
Okay.
So we
It was a storeroom kind of.
Yeah, kind of. But Mashan, that was in a different type.
Okay.
ඒ room එකේ මචං දොරේ in the door something like
ලනුවක් එහෙම දාලා.
ලනුවක්කේම තිබ්බ මචං. අපිට ගානක් නෑ. We didn't actually know what was that, right? It didn't sound fishy at all for us. So however we ate මචං සරම දාගෙන පිස්සු ගෙලියේ dance කරගෙන හිටියා. I was the DJ player මචං back then. So I was playing the music, all the buggers were dancing. And all of a sudden, Masan, this guy, the elder guy, he wanted to go for a smoke,
Okay.
right? He told, your dance, I'll go to the washroom. Now we are inside the room, right? We are inside the room. Yeah, gaya Masan, washroom ekata. හරිද? අපි හොඟට නට හිටියා Masan. When he was going, Masan, I noticed. I don't know about my friends. The light was flickering. නිකන් tick වගේ නිකන් අර blink very හිටියා මාර. Feedback. So after that, we did not know anything. We were dancing. This guy went in. He ටික වෙලාවකින් මචං ඌ එක පාටම he came outside. After a while, he came outside. කඩාගෙන එළියට ආවා මචං. හරිද? කඩාගෙන එළියට ඇවිල්ලා ඌ කිව්වා අඩේ එළතෙන් ඉපාට කිව්වා. Stop everything. ඔක්කොම නවත්තපන් කියලා කිව්වා. හරිද? එතකොට මසම් මේ අපිට දැන් අපිට main doubt එක තිබ්බේ පල්ලෙහා ගෙදර කට්ටියට කේන්ති ගිහිල්ලා තෝරන්නේ. We were wondering if the downstairs people were you know may mad with us because at that time
midnight 2:30.
right? So අපි එහෙම තමයි හිතුවේ. Like we initially thought it that way. When we asked what happened, he was like shocked.
Okay.
He was having the cigarette in the mouth and the cigarette was shivering masa. මෙහෙම වෙවුල හිටියේ මචං. ඌ එකපාරටම වාඩි වුණා. Sat on the floor. Fellow started to cry මචං.
He was the eldest.
He was the eldest මචං. 5 years elder to us. 4 or 5 years මචං. හරිද? මචං, when he started to cry, we thought once again, we were so dumb. We once again thought හොරෙක්ව දැකලා මොබයිල් එකක් ගන්නෑ කියලා. Whether he saw a thief or something, we went from the other side to check. So there was another guy. He's a bit, you know,
moral type.
yeah. He's not afraid of anyone. Kara type like a thug. That guy, he ran outside immediately to see if there's anyone outside. There were no one. You can't climb that flat wall for the second floor. Anyone cannot climb. And he's telling to stop the music. Then I removed the jack because I'm the person who is plugging the music now. Then we asked him why did why is he upset? What exactly happened? We asked him. Then what he told was, I saw something. Mang එකක් දැක්කා. නවුන්ඩ පාක. එහෙම තමයි කිව්වේ. He told that. Then we told, what did you see? Please tell us. එහෙම කිව්වේ. So Masan, he told the story. කතන්දරේ කිව්වා. By the time when he went inside, the light has gone off.
Okay.
It was flickering now.
Yeah.
Light එක චික් චික් ගාලා තිබ්බනේ.
He's gone.
ඕක off වුණා. This fellow went inside. He went for a fag now. He went to smoke now. Puff එකක් ගන්න ගියේ. ඌ මචන්, then I'll explain you the washroom. It's a very simple washroom. So when you go inside Masan, first you will see the what do you call sink, right? Sink, mirror, right? Okay. Then we are entering from this place. So there is a sink, obviously the sink mirror, and next to it is the commode.
Okay.
And after that is where the shower cubic is there.
Okay.
Right? It's a very small washroom, Masan. It's not so huge, right? So there was the shower cubic and other sink. So the sink is here, the mirror is here, and in the side wall, Masan, there is that ventilation area. A small window where they keep, for ventilation.
Where the exhaust.
Exactly. No, there was no exhaust fan, but it was a small window. Masan.
Window. Okay.
Yeah. So classic Sri Lankan houses, they used to have that everywhere, right? So this guy went inside. By the time when he went inside, the light went off.
Okay.
We did not know.
So he had his phone.
No, nothing.
Okay.
Right? He did not have anything. He went into the washroom. We were dancing. අපි එළිය නටනට හිටියේ. අපි දන්නේ නැහැ. So he has gone near the common. Okay? Standing and peeing. He has, put the cigarette in his mouth. He has lit the lighter. Cigarette එක කටේ දාලා lighter එක දාලා තියෙනවා. ඌ හිටගෙන මචං lighter එක ගැහුවලු. He has seen the mirror.
Okay.
So he was standing right opposite to the pond. After looking at the mirror, he has seen our ventilation window එක තියෙන්නේ මචං.
Yeah.
The ventilation window.
Yeah.
He has seen someone staring at him.
Okay.
So we thought අපි අර mirror දිහා අර glass එක බලනකොට ඌ කවුරු හරි කවුද එයා බලාගෙන ඉන්නවා වගේ එයා දැකලා. වගේ නෙවෙයි ඌට ෂුවර් මචං. අපි ඇහුවා කවුද කියලා. කොරෙක්ට්ද නැක. හැබැයි කොරෙක්ට් ඔච්චර දුර නගින්න බෑ. Thief can't climb so fast. It's a tall wall, right? So, however, he told no, it was not a human. So, we asked him to explain what he saw, right? So, this is where the twist is, Magan, right? Make it Masan. We did not believe on ghost or any of those by those days. But when he told that, Masan, right? Even now you can see my you can see, right? So, Magan, he has seen 2 eyes popping out with a tongue. It's dropping out like that. It's hanging like a, how can I say, like a tie.
Okay.
And the eye is filled with blood. And the tongue is also, like, he has seen blood dripping from the tongue.
Okay.
It's looking at him in that way. Soon as he saw,
He came out.
he came out. Like, I can't picture my son. Like, when he told like that,
So then you all will even go and see inside the room?
after that, like,
Everyone.
we all went near, we opened the door, we peeked and saw, Machan, nothing was there. But he started crying and telling this.
කී දහක් විතර පෙන්නලාද නේ ඒ වෙලාවේ?
Machan, we were so, that was a, Machan, like, honestly now, we don't believe in ghost or booth or whole man. අපිට මේවා අපි එච්චර ඔළුවට ගන්න නෑ මචං. අපි සිතාස්වල we don't. හැබැයි මචං ඒ අත්දැකීම් ඔතන වෙච්ච වෙලේ when you were there in that situation මචං it's a different scene there මචං, right? We all were frightened.
So
And-
ඔයගොල්ලෝ එතන වෙලා දෙන්න හිටියා.
Yeah, we were there till morning. Right? And you won't believe, right? We did not, we had a second thought, like if he's lying or anything here. But still, the only thing which we saw from our eyes was the light started working properly
The one.
after the morning prayers was told.
Okay.
Everyone experienced that. Even now, Machan, you can talk to our friends and see. I'll introduce them if you want. They'll tell the exact scenario.
ඒ කියන්නේ දැන් ඕගොල්ලෝ ඉච්චර වෙලාත් එතන හිටියා.
ඔව්.
රෑ පත්තු විදි ලයිට් එකක් උදේ ඉදි පත්තු වුණා.
Nothing, there was no big time gap,
Okay.
right?
Yeah.
So, like from
About 1 hour, 1.5 hours.
maximum 2 hours, I guess.
Okay.
Like, so there was no big time gap because when we cooked the barbecue. But Masan, there is one thing which I wanted to tell. Very importantly, when you're getting into a house which is closed, you should be very cautious. Rule number 1. You should not eat fried foods inside, and you should not. And number 3, we took the chicken from Colombo to Berul,
Okay.
right?
Yes.
Colombo Berul chicken.
Yes.
So another thing is that, like, how can I say? we did not have the soap also to wash our hands. So all these key
So that
things.
aroma, the smell, everything is around you.
And like we were super frightened. We then Otana Machan, like we were all sleeping in one bed. Now none of the guys is going out of the bed. The light was on.
මෙවයි. දැන් ඔය දැන් මම නම් ඔය ගෝවා විශ්වාස කරන පුද්ගලයෙක් නන් නෙමෙයි. ඒත් දැන් මේ ඔයා කියන විදිහට එතන මේ මිනිස්සු දැකලා තියෙනවා මේ මිනිස්සෙක් දැකලා තියෙනවා කියලා කියද්දී අපිටත් දැනට ගෙදර යන්න පුදු බයක් තියෙනවා නේ.
Other at tonight. So what exactly, like the very morning, Machan, like we wanted to
Check out.
check out. So we gave the key to the downstairs people. When we gave the key, we told a
Something.
strange thing happened to us. And they were very casually, they were like listening to us.
ඕව වෙනවා තමයි මල්ලි කියලා කියන්නේ නේ.
And they told, ඔයගොල්ලන්ටත් එහෙම වුණාද? Did this happen to y'all also?
So they were okay. They were
Mashan, we were like, why the hell didn't you tell this to us? Okay, and like it was a very memorable, fun event which happened that day. We still, I mean, our friend circle, whenever we gather, we still talk about it. You know, that was absolute chaos. Then we asked that we asked those people why, what happened before this, and they were like telling, no, another set of people came, our set එකක් ආවා, ඒගොල්ලෝ කළු පාටට මොනවද එකක් මෙහෙම cross වුණා එකක් දැක්කා. So they have complained that, you know, something black, you know, figure has passed walking in the hall, you know, නිකන් කොහොම ඇවිදිනවලු රැක.
නෑ නෙමෙයි ගොඩාක් අපේ දැන් අපි සමහරලාට සමහර ගම්වල අපිට පොඩ්ඩක් තියෙනවා ඔය නයිට් ලයිෆ් කියන බුද්ධ. දැන් සමහර ගම් පැති වලට ගියාම එහෙ ඉත නොකු මිනිස්සු කියනවා මේ වෙලාවට පුතා ඒක යන්න එපා. මේ වෙලාවට ඔත වෙලාවක්
No, we should always listen to what elders say, because it's not about only ghosts or, you know, whatever the entity which they are explaining. It's about the danger which is hidden. You know, there are people who are thieves. So when they explain us not to go, when they advise us not to go out at night, especially, we should always listen to them. And but this is like, we were not out; we were inside the house. So that was like one of the crazy stories.
රිස්කි ලොකු රෝලර් කෝස්ටර් එකක ගිහින් ඇවිල්ලා තියෙනවා ඒ කාලේ නේද?
අනිවාර්යෙන්.
ඒ කියන්නේ මෙන්න මේ සිදුවීම් කියන්නේ දැන් අපි ඕවා ඇත්තටම මට එකපාරක් අපි අර හපුදට ගියා නම් එකක් තිබ්බා අපි next episode එකේ කතා කරමු.
And I have 3 more stories. Sorry, 2 more stories.
Okay.
And I can explain those on the coming episodes, I can tell. But these are 100% verified true stories. They will be telling this going forward. And anyone who has experience can share their voice record or note to us in WhatsApp. We have given a number. Please share your stories.
So රිස්කිගේ බේරුවල කතාව ඇහුවන පස්සේ දැන් මම මේ first episode එකෙන් පස්සේ ගෙදර යන්නේ කොහොමද කියලා මම මේ බලාගෙන ඉන්නේ.
It's a way to go home, guys.
මේ ප්‍රශ්නයක් නෑ. ඒක අපි මේ යන්නේ උබර ගේන්නේ. මගේ වාහනේ නැති හින්දා. තනිය ඒකත් අපි night life people නේ.
Yeah.
දැන් මේ වගේ දේවල් වලට ඔළුව දාද්දි පොඩ්ඩක් බයයි.
Oh, and Machan, that house is now demolished.
Okay, that's good.
So
තිප්පන යන්න තිබ්බම.
definitely, we wanted to go again. That's
Okay.
the highlight.
Okay, කියන්නේ ඔයගොල්ලෝ TV එකෙත් ඕක බලන විදිහට බලලා ආයි යන්න plan උත් කළා දිනේ. ඒ කියන්නේ මේගොල්ලෝ මේ හදවතින් මාර strong මිනිස්සු. මේ
We contacted that person. It's demolished.
මම නම් ඔය පැත්ත බලලා දැන් ඔයලා දැක්කෝ. මේ ඉතින් අපේ සහෝදරවරුනි අපි ඇවිල්ලා මේ වගේ සත්‍ය සිදුවීම් ටිකක් අපි කතා කරමු. ඕගොල්ලෝ වීඩියෝ කෝල් එන්න පුළුවන්, වොයිස් chats දාන්න පුළුවන්, ඕගොල්ලන්ගේ recordings යවන්න පුළුවන්. අපි ගොඩාක් කැමති මේ true media එකේ ඕගොල්ලන්ගේ ඔය සත්‍ය සිදුවීම් සම්බන්ධයෙන් කතා කරන්න.
Exactly. So that's what I'm trying to tell. So we may know only around 10 to 15 stories, but you all may know real life incidents which happened to you all. So we can bring that to light, tell in this True Media. It's totally free. We are not gonna charge from anyone. But make sure that you subscribe. We will keep on giving beautiful contents like this, very interesting contents, not just fake stories.
අමතක කරන්න එපා මම ආයෙ පාර මතක් කරන්නම් subscribe button එක click කරන්න bell icon එක click කරලා අපිත් එක්ක සමහරතාවය ගොඩනගා ගන්න
ඔව්.
ඉදිරියට හොඳ videos එක අපි ආයෙ හම්බ වෙනවා